Oh, whoa, no. So when they first come out, they tend to poop a lot, so I apologize. But I'm letting the girls out for a little walk around the basement. They're like all spreading out, testing out their wings, running. They're so silly. Sometimes they do laps around the crates. Whoa. That one's a little bossy. We don't know if he's a guy. We didn't purposefully buy a boy, but that one is definitely the most headstrong. And that's the one with the biggest comb running away. I have the hardest time. Right now, her name's Queen. I have the hardest time getting Queen back in the cage set up. All the other girls go back in. We're like, at least let me pick them up and put them back. And this one that's right coming this way, Queen, she's just a queen. Everything's her way. I'm going to give them some bird snack right now. Truth. And while they eat that, I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning since they're starting to poop all over the floor. That's Sugar in the center. And Stella, the lightest girl. And the one who just looked up is Cookie. And this one is Stella. Sorry, that's Vera. They're very big. We really have to finish the coop. So they're not getting vicious with each other. The violence in their DNA is not manifesting. However, they're getting a little bit big for their double crate setup. They're getting a little bit big. I really want to see them outside no later than 2 weeks. That's Muffin. Muffin definitely flaps to the beat of her own feathers. She's definitely wacky. Okay, they're kind of giving up on their snack, so they play games over here. It's so funny. They have different areas where they... Oh, hey! No. That one's a bully. Okay, I'm gonna clean up some poop.